We finally got all the insulation in the van done. Keep watching to find out how we did it. Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411.
With Robbie and Adrian.
Since we plan to actually camp in this van, we want it to stay as cool as possible when it's hot out and warm when it's cold. So we want it to be well insulated. We used 3M Insulate SM600L automotive camper van insulation and 3M Max Strength 90 adhesive. All the instructions say to spray the insulation and the surface you're sticking it to, then wait 5 minutes for it to become tacky and then apply. We obviously didn't want you guys to have to see all that, but just know we did that on all these surfaces.
So now we just push it down, I guess. Our first piece of insulation is in.
Just a little bit. On all 4 doors, we insulated the inside of the plastic door panel and the inside of the door, hoping to maximize temperature control and especially limit heat loss in the winter.
And that still works. 17 and a half, 22 and 3/4, 21 and a half by 16 and a half,
14 by 21 and a half.
What did we say it was, 7? Man, that stuff, once it makes contact,
Stuck on?
it's pretty well on there. That's pretty close.
You get it? I think we just put it down on that like that right there. That'll go there. That'll fold over to there.
So we got the wheel well insulated, and now we're getting ready to put in the first big piece up here on the wall. Kind of excited to see this, and I've been super impressed so far by how much sound this insulation has also helped with. Road noise is way down when we're driving it now.
Perfect right there. That will go right there.
Beautiful. I like
All
it.
the walls are done.
Now that we've got the walls done, we're moving to the ceiling. This is the very back of the van. This is one side of the fan. That's the other side of the fan. Let's get the ceiling done. I think we got enough. First piece of the ceiling going on.
There we go. Definitely found it's easier to push this stuff back in there first. I'm not trying to cram it back in there because most of you know that insulation does better when it has room to breathe. That's what we're going to try to do with that back panel as well. Oh, look at that. It's almost like I cut it to fit that size.
Get some crunches in.
Yep. I don't have any idea how I'm going to do this. Start on that edge. So push up on it, on this.
Here.
Yeah, sure. And then we're going to push that into there. Just keep going, you're good. I'll keep holding. I can't hold it anymore, sorry. I'll be dadgummit, that don't look pretty decent, doesn't it?
Beautiful.
Yep. So that's about 1 inch wide, so then cut it along that line and along that line.
Is this supposed to be this way?
That's never a good question. I put it way too far over in there, didn't I? Thank you, handy dandy assistant. The installation's done. Hot dog. What you're not seeing is about the probably 3 or 4 weeks that it took us to get it done, just between other projects and everything else going on. But I am super happy with it. I think this is going to be completely awesome. In case you can't tell, the next step is the ceiling. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. We're super glad you guys came along with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure there's ways that we could have done it different. Drop it in the comments below. Like this video, give us that thumbs up, share it with all your friends. As always, thanks for watching.